Welcome to the General Knowledge Quick Quiz. Choose the correct answer. If you get 20 correct out of 25, you're a genius. Question 1. First U.S. gas-powered car inventors. Correct answer is B. Question 2. Inventor with 1,000 plus patents. Correct answer is B. Question 3. Who invented chocolate chip cookies? Correct answer is A. Question 4. First YouTube video title. Correct answer is A. Question 5. Inventor of Ferris wheel. Correct answer is B. Question 6. Company behind needle-free allergy spray. Correct answer is C. Question 7. Who proposed a $400 million White House ballroom? Correct answer is B. Question 8. Power from salt water is called. Correct answer is D. Question 9. AI to pass medical exam. Correct answer is B. Question 10. What does semiquincentennial celebrate? Correct answer is C. Question 11. Why did Obama retake oath? Correct answer is D. Question 12. Trump stated 2026 resolution. Correct answer is C. Question 13. Who pranked guests by driving into a lake? Correct answer is B. Question 14. Coolidge family pet. Correct answer is B. Question 15. President with permanent no-fly zone. Correct answer is A. Question 16. First president to support same-sex marriage. Correct answer is B. Question 17. First to use laptop in Oval Office. Correct answer is B. Question 18. Invention that lets PC remember everything. Correct answer is D. Question 19. Who vomited on a PM in 1992? Correct answer is A. Question 20. Only president with a PhD. Correct answer is D. Question 21. First state to make internet a legal right. Correct answer is B. Question 22. Melania Trump's Secret Service name. Correct answer is C. Question 23. President who finished speech after being shot. Correct answer is B. Question 24. Original name of New York City. Correct answer is A. Question 25. Only person to be VP and President unelected. Correct answer is B. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments. If you liked this quiz, then subscribe to this channel for more interesting knowledge.